Hello guys, how are you all? So let's do an intuitive reading. Let's pick a few channeled messages for you for next few hours. Let's say 48 to 72 hours. It's a timeless watch. So whenever you come across this video, just know that this message is meant for you. Let's see what channeled messages do we have for you. So we have third party, cheating, broken trust. Okay, firstly, oh my god, what the fuck, we have snake here. One thing is for sure, that you are dealing with someone, or you have been thinking about someone who is in a third party situation, or has probably been in a third party situation. This person has definitely broken your trust because of some other person. Basically, I do feel that there is a lot of energy of third party situation here. Okay, you have probably listened to other people instead of listening to your person. Some of you just left your person. ठीक है, कुछ लोगों के लिए मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है that you just left your person for someone. Okay, and that or probably your person did that, I don't know. For you, this person was your home, this person was your comfort zone. You felt that, finally we will have our own happy ending together, but it seems it did not work. Okay, this guy or this girl, whatever it is, this person has a very player energy. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही. This person is very strategic. This person knows when to play which card. Okay, this person did not show you, did not reveal all the cards about themselves, is what I see. And I don't know why, but I also feel that your connection is not that strong. आपकी foundation जो है connection की, that is not that strong to fight with other people. इतनी ज़्यादा strong नहीं रही है कहीं ना कहीं, where you can really go against other people. It's like कि कोई भी third person आएगा and उसको बस एक spark लगाने की need है, and boom 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 everything is vanished. Okay, this is what I see. This is a kind of relationship you have been in, or you are in right now. Okay, थोड़ी पास्ट की एनर्जी मुझे ज़्यादा लग रही है, कि जैसे ये रीसेंट पास्ट में हुआ है, या कुछ लोगों के लिए थोड़ा सा और टाइम हो चुका है. एंड इसकी जो फीलिंग्स हैं, ये जो मेमोरीज हैं, दीज फीलिंग्स आर सर्फिसिंग राइट नाउ. ठीक है, सम ऑफ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ पेन. ओके, द वे दिस पर्सन हैज़ ट्रीटेड यू. सम आई डू सी दैट now this heartbreak is coming out. Now these feelings are coming out. ये जो भी hurt रहा है, all these emotions and everything, it is coming out now. Okay, कहीं ना कहीं आपने अपने आप को handle कर लिया था. You kind of balanced yourself, you kind of healed yourself, or you thought that you healed yourself, but that is not the case, because you literally gave everything to this person. Okay, you felt that this is it. Now there's no other person coming into my life. Okay, and but it all ended up into a breakup. What you thought is going to be forever did not even stay for a month or something like that. That is the energy that I see. Okay, for some I also feel that the girl is also the player here. Not also, for very few I do see कि कुछ ऐसी feminine energy है. There's a woman out there who is also very strategic, very has a very player like energy. Okay, so it's not just for the men, it can be for the girl as well, but जो भी है, you guys will be able to resonate what it is. And we also got the card of snake. ठीक है. सो यू हैव डेल्ट विथ समवन जो बिल्कुल भी, ये पर्सन हो सकता है दैट यू नो ऑन द आउटसाइड, ऑन द सर्फेस दिस पर्सन मे लुक लाइक योर डिवाइन काउंटर पार्ट, ओके, divine feminine, divine masculine, whatever it may be, but this person has never revealed themselves, and now that illusion has completely destroyed. Okay, that illusion is no more. Now you can see the reality. Now the things are being revealed to you is what I see. And I also feel that you are also playing very smart now. Okay, this entire breakup thing and all these betrayals in your life, that has kind of made you very smart. So now if you were someone who used to trust your person easily, or someone who was naive and stuff, now you are becoming smart enough to understand these kind of people. Okay, ये जो दिखाते नहीं हैं, अपने रिवील नहीं करते हैं कार्ड्स, ओके, अपनी ट्रू सेल्फ को रिवील नहीं करते हैं, आपको बहुत कंफर्टेबल फील करवाते हैं एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. नाउ यू कैन सी देयर ट्रू सेल्फ, ओके, एंड यू आर लर्निंग अ लेसन. ओके, यू हैव एक्चुअली लर्नड द लेसन अबाउट दिस थिंग, कि कौन कैसा होता है, कौन कैसा नहीं होता, किसके साथ आपको कैसा कंफर्ट फील होता है. बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज से दैट नॉट एवरी पर्सन हु फील्स लाइक होम इज़ एक्चुअली अ होम, ओके, अ ट्रू होम. बिकॉज कभी कभी होता है कि हमें जो ट्रॉमाज मिले हैं अपने घर में, या जो भी हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग रही है, वही सेम घर या वही सेम पर्सन हमें मिलता है, एंड उस चीज़ में हम इतने यूज टू होते हैं, वी आर सो कंफर्टेबल विद दैट काइंड ऑफ एन एनवायरनमेंट दैट वी फील दैट ओ दिस पर्सन लुक्स लाइक होम टू मी, दिस पर्सन फील्स लाइक होम टू मी, बट दैट इज़ नॉट द केस. Okay, this is what we eventually realize. So this is what is happening, and now you are the energy that you have right now, collective, is that of the player energy. And I would say this is not in any negative manner, it's just that you're becoming smart. Okay, you're becoming intelligent, you are leaving that naive personality of yours. Let me pull a few cards for this player energy. We have independent, like I said, okay, non-committed, home, foundation, ex-lover, old spark. So see, definitely I do see that there will be an opportunity of something old coming up, okay, something from the past coming up, but here I see you being very smart, because you have created a foundation within. Okay, your foundation is really strong right now, independently as an individual. I'm not talking about the relationship. Okay, so you have come to a point where you know what safety looks like, what home feels to you, what foundation means to you. This is what you are understanding. So even if this person comes, because I do think that this person is coming, but this time you won't be fooled. Okay, you will see, like, whatever the situation, whatever the outcome will be, whether it's going to be a reconciliation or whether you choose to part your ways, whatever it may be, it is going to be the best decision this time. This time you're making decision with all your discernment, with your intuition, with everything. This time the decision will be aligned with the God. Okay, so do not think, do not feel worried or anything, because इस बार जो भी आप डिसीजन लोगे, it's going to be worth it, and you're not going to take the wrong decision. So you do not have to worry about anything at all. Okay, let me just clarify this energy. What is this cheating energy? If you could clarify, what is this? Magnetism, dreams come true, and again we have third party. सो यू गाइज हैव डेल्ट विद समवन जहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग में देयर वॉज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन, ठीक है, एक बहुत ही मैग्नेटिक कनेक्शन आपको हो सकता है फील हुआ हो, द फीलिंग्स वर रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग टूवर्ड्स ईच अदर, बट विद पैशन this person has become a wish come true. Okay, with time, with the time that you guys have spent, and even though बहुत सारी ऐसी karmic situations हुई हैं, maybe this person cheated on you, maybe you also cheated on them, whatever it has been, that was all the part of a karmic situation which was meant to happen. Okay, ये karmic situations होना बहुत ज़्यादा important था, but now I don't think this person ever thought this person is going to love you so much or like you so much, or this person is going to fall in love with you so much that now you have become their wish come true. Okay, now they want you in their life. Okay, now they want to offer you something serious, now they want to keep you. Okay, I don't think this person is involved in any kind of third party situation anymore. Like, it's like कि जितना इस person को करना था वो इतना ये कर चुके हैं. Let's see whether this will happen or not. The chaser, cut down, shock. Okay, let me tell you something. अगर ऐसा है that your person is still the same, universe is not going to send them into your life. That is for sure. Okay, universe is going to stop the pattern right there. Universe is going to cut the ties with this person. Okay, still things are still in the process. Your person is still learning few lessons, taking a few lessons, but I also see that there is a possibility of renewal. There's a possibility of rebirth. Okay, but it will only happen if this person has actually changed themselves, is if this person has actually improved himself or herself, and only then this ट्रांजिशन विल कम. एंड अभी भी मेरे को तो लगता है अभी भी कुछ ऐसे 2-3 इवेंट्स हैं जो इस पर्सन की लाइफ में होना बहुत बाकी हैं, सो दैट दिस पर्सन गेट्स दैट अवेकनिंग. अभी भी वो कंप्लीट अवेकनिंग नहीं हुई है, एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन सडनली, spontaneously, out of nowhere, something that you're not even expecting. But just know that you are very much safe. Okay, this person also has some fear of abandonment. Okay, so if you have, or if your person has this kind of fear, let me tell you that abhi bhi this person has some ties with some toxic people. Okay, and there are certain things which are yet to happen in this person's life which will teach them a lesson. Okay, but till the time you can just be in your own energy, you are completely ready. Okay, and just know that if this person hasn't changed, or if this person is not good for you, this God is not going to send this person back into your life. Okay, this is what I see. Let me see if there's any other or any new energy which is coming your way. Okay, for some I do see that there is a new energy coming your way, but for that you will have to decide whether you want to cut ties with your past or not. Okay, आपके पास वो न्यू एनर्जी तभी आएगी जब आप इस पास्ट को लेट गो करोगे. अभी आप में से काफ़ी लोग अपने पास्ट को लेट गो ही नहीं करना चाह रहे हो सकता है दैट यू आर विद योर पर्सन बट यू स्टिल थिंकिंग अबाउट योर एक्स. ओके, फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम देयर आर very strong ties to your past, and this date is only going to happen, this new person is only going to come once you release your past. So wo naya person is there at the door, the new person is knocking at your door, but you are busy looking at your window, where's my lover, where's my lover, that kind of an energy is there. So let me pick a few cards for you as guidance. Let's see what guidance do we have. We got snake again. For you, it's time to just have fun. This is a time of great transition, great change coming into your life. People who have been a snake or anything like that, just know that a lot of changes are going to take place in this person's life also. Okay, nobody remains the same, everyone evolves. Okay, and those who stay fixated onto one thing or any one particular behavior or attitude, universe is not going to send them back into your life. Okay, it's as simple as that. And I also feel some of you have been manifesting or doing some kind of rituals to bring this person back. If you are doing that and then this person returns, then this reading is not for you. Okay, just know that any ritual, any manifestation technique, or anything that you have been doing to bring this person back, then this reading is not for you at all. Okay, because here you are using your own brain and your own karmas and everything to bring this person back. You're not putting it to you're not putting this entire thing into the hands of existence. This is only for those who have been working on themselves, not doing all these things and just being focused. It's only and only for them. And yes, if you haven't been doing all of that stuff, then definitely there's some shapeshifter energy here. The person is going through a transition, you are also going through a change. So all the best, and just remind yourself to keep having fun, because this is the time to have fun and not take things seriously. Okay, that was it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.